Today, I'm in West Palm Beach, Florida, and the reason that I'm here is to show you a prefab home from a company with a goal of manufacturing housing efficiently and delivering it affordably. This is the Model E ADU from Mesocore. It's got dimensions of 18 feet wide by 23 feet long for a total footprint of 420 square feet, in which they've got one bedroom, one bathroom, a kitchen, and a living space. You know, one of my favorite things about making these videos is the innovation. Every once in a while I come across a company that's innovating within the space, and spoiler alert, today is one of those days. I am very excited to show you around, so let's check out the Model E ADU from Mesocore. Starting at the side of the home, let's get straight into the innovative piece of this build. So what we're looking at right here, you can kind of see the outline right there, is what they describe as the chassis of the home. It's built with steel, and inside is where you'll find the bathroom and the kitchen. And then these two sections right here kind of get built on site, but they're shipped within the central chassis. So this roof flips up like that, and then 7 wall panels on each side, which are shipped in the chassis, get put into place, and the steel frame on the bottom kind of slides out from the middle as well. The result is the 420 square foot, one bedroom, one bathroom Model E ADU. Now, since we are in Florida, I know a lot of people are going to be asking about the hurricane resistance of the home, and it does come with high impact glass on both the windows and the doors. And from the front, you can see they've got the vertical LP smart siding. I believe that has a 50-year warranty. I'm not going to spend too much time down this side because of the fans causing a bunch of noise, and I want to get inside because she's hot and humid here in West Palm Beach. So again, there is the central chassis. You can see they've got 2 concrete pillars right there. So I've been told that you need 4 for the central chassis, and then another 2 on either corner of the section that kind of flips out, for a total of 8 piers to support the home. That is going to be the most affordable way to do it on this specific build. All right, I think that's that. Let's head inside and check this thing out. Welcome inside the Model E. Okay, yeah, this temperature is a lot better for a guy like me. The Model E ADU. Thought I'd just better take a second and speak to the setup and timeline of how this kind of all works. So, if you recall to 30 seconds ago, the central chassis ships in one piece. It has everything else inside that's needed to complete the home. It comes with appliances, it comes with the wall panels that get put in, and from the time it arrives and gets craned onto the foundation to the time it's weatherproof, I have been told is around 3 days. Yeah, that's right. And then to fully kit it out to what we're looking at right here is 5 to 6 weeks. And that is done right now by people from the Mesocore team or people that they have trained. So it's not like you have to go out and find contractors to figure this out and do it on their own. That's all going to be looked after. All right, let's continue. One of the very first things that I noticed when I came into this home was it does have a fully separate bedroom behind that door right there. And I think that is something that people are looking for, especially in a smaller footprint, sub 500 square foot home, where it would almost be just as easy or easier to make it a studio layout. So I like that. Now, let's talk living room. The way they've got this set up, they've got a love seat right here, TV mounted on the wall, boom. They've got a window over there, a little bit of storage behind that cabinet over there, and they've got a chair here in the corner. The way this one is finished, this is the standard finishing. So it's not like they fully tricked this one out for a display model and then the one that actually arrives is completely different. What you see is what you get. So they've got the shiplap on the wall. Here's a look at the front door. Again, it's got the hurricane rated glass on it, and the entrance is kind of situated right between the kitchen and the living room. and the dining room, I should say. All right, so looking back this way, I'll pan up real quick and show you the LED lights on the ceiling. They've got a window directly into the dining room, another one on this wall, and let's get into this kitchen and see exactly what they've got going on here. So all appliances ship within the chassis of the home. So these are in the home on arrival. They've got kind of a tall Whirlpool fridge here. So yeah, see it, we like it. You got the freezer up top. Sorry, fridge up top, freezer down below. They've got the nice big sink right here. And these handles, look at this, would double for somewhere to have a drying towel right there. Underneath, you've got some storage for your dish soap, your scrubbies, stuff like that. Up above this is where you're gonna put your plates, bowls, glasses, and things of that nature. And then behind this door, another one. They don't have the shelves in quite yet, but that is something that would be there. So you can go multiple levels in these cabinets. This one has the vent behind it because right below is the 2-burner cooktop. Below that is the convection microwave oven. And below that is a drawer that would be perfect for pots and pans and other things like that. Right here in the middle, we've got a drawer for cutlery. Boom, how are you? And any guesses before I go here? Doesn't matter, you're probably wrong. It is a dishwasher, folks. Yes, that's right. They've got a dishwasher in here. It's the cabinet match front. So probably a lot of people weren't expecting it. Be honest, did you know that's what was coming? Or were you surprised? Here's a look from one side of the kitchen, looking back into the living room, and we shall continue down towards the bedroom and of course into the bathroom. So did mention this bit of storage right here, but might as well open it so everyone can see and imagine what they might store in there. So here we go. What I like about this place is the size of this bedroom. It is not scrimped out. This is quite a large bedroom, so this appears to be a double bed. They've got space for side tables on either side, and have a look at this. So it goes all the way down there. Bit of storage right here, almost like a wardrobe right there, or a place to put your vacuum cleaner and broom. So we've got one window on this wall, one behind me that I missed, and then you get the built-in over here. So place to hang your fancy garments right there. Put a few things up above, and yes, there is a shelf above that as well. I'm going to slide this over and look at some of the other built-ins that they've got in here. So look at this. They've got hat storage and purse storage right there, and a dresser down below. If I open this side, you've got 2 racks for hanging right there, and I just noticed that they do have the lights inside the closet so you can really look at what you're looking at. Now, they've got the same door that's into the bedroom into the bathroom right here. Oh, look at, and behind it when it's open, so you close it, and there's a mirror right there, so you can do a fit check before you even leave your bedroom. Okay, so in this bathroom, the toilet is straight on. They've got a combo washer dryer unit right there. So yes, you don't have to leave the home to do your laundry. It's handled. They've got the sink here with some extra counter space and a mirror up above that opens to store your things. Over here, I don't actually know what is in here, so let's look. More storage. So you've got 4 shelves in there for whatever you might want to put in that, and the perfect spot right there for either a garbage or possibly a laundry basket. Right here, they've got a shower stall, and again, they've got that LED light strip that just adds a little bit of wow factor, and I like that. So we'll get one more look at this bedroom. There's the window that I missed right there. And we will head back through the living room. Quick look at the kitchen dining space, and then I'm going to head outside. And I guess we might as well talk about the pricing. There you have it, folks, the Model E ADU from Mesocore. Again, what we're looking at here is 18 feet wide by 23 feet long for a total footprint of 420 square feet, in which they've got 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, the kitchen, and the living room, all shipped within a central core and set up on site. As far as pricing goes, it starts at $129,000, and that includes the full solar package that's worth $30,000. So if that's simply not something you're interested in, you can remove that from the price, takes it down to $99,000. That is it for me here today in West Palm Beach, Florida. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.